video recording this shit.
I got YouTube. Got to put it on there, man. I always put all my videos on there.
At least hold this till I hook up.
Yeah. My YouTube account loves it.
Big spring.
It's a deep hole. It's a fucking. I tried to tell Robbie it was a deep hole. Don't let it die.
Turn it around. We got research on the back. Turn it around.
Yeah.
Turn it around. Hold on. Let me put this in.
I hate that fan, dude. It's super slump-proof. F250.
Hey, don't knock out my back window.
There you go. They're expensive.
I ain't got
Oh.
one.
They're expensive. Where'd your other dude go? Where's he at?
He's back here looking at me guys.
Oh, there you go. Hear that fan hitting.
I feel sorry for this fucking Bronco.
Oh yeah, he'll be alright.
He's
Once
about
he
to
gets
be covered.
Yeah.
Y'all about to have mud galore.
I get muddy. Not like that, but I get muddy out here. My carburetor and all that shit gets full of it.